Turkey's first indigenous unmanned fighter Bayraktar Kızılelma has cleared all tests and is progressing towards serial production, with plans to commence in 2024. The Kızılelma rolled off Baykar Technology's production line in November 2022. Following this, a series of ground tests were conducted at the Flight Training and Test Center in the northwestern province of Tekirdağ's Çorlu district. Mass production of the warplane will begin in 2024. Furthermore, it is scheduled to commence flight tests from Turkish Navy's largest warship TCG Anadolu in 2025. As of now, 2 prototypes of the drone have been produced. Last December, Kızılelma embarked on its maiden flight, taking to the skies within a year of its production. Kızılelma is able to carry 1,500 kilograms of payload, weapons and devices, etc. Its flight range is 930 kilometers, while the operating altitude was declared as 10,668 meters. The drone can operate in the air for 5 hours and has a maximum speed of 900 kilometers per hour.